Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick kind of get ready with me. I have work today and I kind of just wanted to do a fun kind of boho theme, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's just dive right in. Okay, so first let me pull my hair out of my face. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. So I started tanning again in a tanning bed, and oh my god, best thing ever, because I started getting acne again. I felt so white. I've literally gone 2 times and I already feel so much better. Like my confidence level definitely raised a bit. So if I look a bit tanner, that's why. And then don't mind my primer. I'm almost out, but it is the NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Next, I'm going to go into my Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. Next, I'm going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. Okay, and for my foundation today, I am going in with the Maybelline FIT Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and I am in the shade 130 Buff Beige. I love using this for days that I just want a super natural look and I just don't want to be doing too much makeup. And to buff that in, I'm using the Japonesque brush 705. It's just a really nice BB cream brush. Also, this is just a great drugstore foundation. Like, it's just so good. I feel like it matches my skin tone so well. I literally was so shook because it probably matched my foundation better than... It probably matched my skin tone better than any foundation I've tried, which, I mean, go drugstore for doing that. And this just gives you such glowy skin too. I love it. If you guys want to know the real reason why I'm doing makeup like this today, it's because I forgot my fake lashes. And I don't have any. So I don't want to do a full face of makeup without lashes. I'm weird like that. I only don't wear lashes if I'm doing makeup like this. And this is the only day I can film for my next video. And so literally, I was gonna look super cute today, but this is gonna have to do. As always, when I do this makeup routine, I go in with the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick, and it is in the shade Pinky Dust. It's just this really nice, basically liquid stick that you just rub on your face. And I just use it as like a blush, and it's really nice for just, I just think, rosing up your cheeks, but making it look like it's your skin. Like, it just looks very natural. I love it. This is also drugstore. So when I do this foundation, I actually don't set my face, which sounds really weird because I always do because I have such oily skin, but I just never do with this one because I want it to be, I don't know, not perfect, if that makes any sense. I'm going to go in with my FARRAH brush 50F, just an all over brush, and I'm going in with the NARS Casino Bronzer. And first I'm just going to warm up my neck just to make sure everything matches my face. And I'm also just going to go in with this brush as well on my face. When I do makeup like this and it's a bit more natural, I don't like to use a precision brush Sorry guys. I don't like to use a precision brush just because I think it looks not as natural. I definitely am going for more of the natural look today. So I just like to be messy with it. I'm going to just kind of carve up my nose a little bit with my 55E brush. It is just a nice angled brush. Okay, next I'm going to do some blush. I'm going in with the NARS in the shade Deep Throat. And I'm going to be using my stippler brush, my 40F one. And I know we already put blush down, but blush is like the first thing that doesn't stay on your face. It literally goes away so quick. So I just like to load it on. And I do like to do a little bit over my nose, just like that. And I go back in with my 50F brush just to buff it in. Today I'm going to use some highlighter. I usually don't on days like this, but I'm feeling it today. I'm going to go with the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skinfinish Highlighter. I'm going to use my 28F fan brush and just put, I really don't want to use a lot, so I'm just going to put a little. That was a lot, okay. Just a little bit on my cheek. A little bit there. I'm going to go in with my 05E brush and go on my Cupid's bow like you saw. And then I'm going to go like down my nose as well. And I'm also going to take my 10F brush. It's just a concealer brush. And I'm just going to dab this right in the inner corner of my eyes. Just to make everything look super, I guess, dewy at this point. I've had so much highlighter that it's going to be a dewy look today. I am going to take my bronzer out again and go in with my 322 It Cosmetics brush. It's just an Oliver eyeshadow brush. And I always just apply this on my eyes. This is just a nice, easy trick to add dimension back to your face. But if you do not want to do a bunch of mascara, wow. If you don't want to do a bunch of eyeshadow, this is perfect. I just got my eyebrows waxed and oh my god. They look so good. And my hair, oh my god, I'm in love with it. I love the blonde. Once you go blonde, you never go back. And I'm also putting this just under my eye too, just to make it kind of a grungy. Next, I am going to take my black eyeliner. It's just a Revlon Color Stay black. This is what it looks like. I like to apply this in my waterline above on the top. And you definitely poke your eye every once in a while, but you know what? That's okay. And then I'm also applying this very lightly where normal eyeliner would go. But I don't want a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly pull right here. And just kind of like rub it along. And the line doesn't have to be thin either. Like, make it so messy. Like, that looks horrid. On the end of these eyeliners, it comes with like a little smudger. So what you're going to do is you're just going to smudge it on the top. I'm also just going to go back in with my all over eyeshadow brush and just blend it in with the bronzer that we put on there. Just so it's not like a harsh black line. And now I'm going to do eyebrows. I go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. And I'm just going to start by brushing my brows up. And when I do makeup like this, I definitely make my brows look way more natural than I usually do. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are penciled in, I always use the Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Clear Gel just to brush them upward. I kind of like them to look a bit thicker and hairier when it's natural makeup, just because it helps. Otherwise, if you're having like a really strong brow and everything else is very toned down, it just doesn't go well. Before I do my mascara, I'm going to set my face really quick with the Urban Decay De-Stick Makeup Setting Spray. It is for oil control, which I need. So while that's drying, I'm just going to go ahead and put on my MAC Creemesheen Lipstick. It is in the shade 203. And I'm just going to like lightly dab this on just because it's very pink and I don't want a really pink lip right now, but I really love this lipstick, so I definitely need to get more shades of this. But so I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes with an eyelash curler. So I'm going to go into the Benefit They're Real mascara and just apply this everywhere. Okay, you guys, so I have my mascara on. That is the end of this tutorial. I know it was kind of short, but honestly, this is just a great, I think, summer makeup look. It's super easy, it's super quick. Most of it's drugstore, or can be drugstore. And yeah, I just think it makes you look very youthful, bronze, sun-kissed, like, it's great. Let me give you a montage. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and hit that notification button because I do post every Wednesday and Sunday. And make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram. I'll put it right here. It's a great way for me just to communicate with you guys, get your input, thoughts, questions, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video.